Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. So with a brand new year, I like to reorganize and just declutter. So today I'm going to be doing that with my makeup collection. I am super excited. I did this I think at the start of last year as well. So I'm just going to go through everything I own and see what needs to probably go in the bin or just be things I'm not using that maybe could go to somebody else that would use it more than I would. So I've actually bought some new containers. These are to go in my IKEA drawer. I keep mentioning we are moving house and my makeup storage is going to change once again, but for now this is what we're going to do and this is how I'm going to cope. Because once we move into the new house, my collection won't be in my drawer anymore, it will be in another set of drawers, so you know. These I bought from Amazon. There are 7 different sizes here. Let's get started. So I've emptied all my makeup out. I've got everything that I'm keeping on the top of my desk now and I've thrown away quite a lot. I'm now just going to clean this drawer out because it's just minging. So here is everything. I've got eyeshadow collection over there. And this pile here is just random stuff. Like you can see Fleur de Force obviously here. I have her lashes, love them. And I can't bring myself to throw away this Rimmel London lipstick. I think it was my first one. I mean, it's a colour I would never wear. I can't throw it away. It was the first lipstick I ever bought. So here is everything that's organised. Got lipsticks, highlighters, face products, got all my eyeshadow palettes, and then it's just like the single eyeshadow. So now that everything is organised, I can get a start on putting everything into the drawers with using these new containers that I've got. So I've decided to make this Muji storage just lipstick. I have got my makeup brushes on the top as well as my setting spray because they're always out so I remember to use them. The first one I have got full of just MAC lipstick. So MAC lipstick, I've got a paint lip liqueur there, I didn't really like that. I've got all of my retro liquid lipsticks and these are the Lipintensities and my lip liners. Actually, that Tilbury one can come out. So that is just makeup from MAC. And here is just some lipsticks. To be honest, in this drawer I won't use anything other than the Kat Von D or the Charlotte Tilbury. But the ones I still just can't get rid of, actually looking at them now, I mean, I could probably get rid of that one and that one. That looks a bit better. So these Revlon Ultra HD Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I don't want to get rid of them purely because I've got 3 of them and because they are really nice, but I wouldn't go to them anymore for liquid lipstick. I would definitely go for the MAC ones. But yeah, and Kat Von D is one I've just discovered and I love it, so I'm hoping to buy some more of them. So So here is my drawer. Just for now, I need some sort of storage for all my eyeshadow palettes. But for now, I've just got my Tarte ones, the MAC one, and then Charlotte Tilbury and NARS. They are like my go-tos. And then in all this storage I've now got, so I've got bronzers up here. This is mascara, eyeliners, and my only eyebrow product. So that has to go in there with that. All my concealers. And then here I've got my foundation, CC cream, and yes, I like this one with a big storage bit. Over here is the mixture. I've got face powders and then highlighters, things to help with highlighting, like the MAC Strobe cream. The tiny little ones back here, I was really unsure about what to do, but I've decided for both the Charlotte Tilburys that I've got. So these are the eyes to mesmerise. I thought they went quite nicely in the storage box. And then this one over here is because I did the Charlotte Tilbury one there, I thought it only fair that I did the MAC ones. So this one is in groundwork. I think the other one is vintage something or other. And then I've just got a single eyeshadow product that I used to use on my eyebrows. So in the second drawer in this desk is where I've just hidden all of my other things for now, because like I said, we're moving house anyway, so I'm not going to put them away. And I also didn't want to put them to the back of there just because it looks nice as it is. I didn't want to ruin the aesthetic. So they can just hide in here until we're ready to actually pack stuff up. So yes, I've got makeup, sponges, eyelashes, and just things like that. Oh, and Halloween makeup. Didn't know what to do with the Halloween makeup, but I might need it again one day, so for now it can just stay there until I figure out what I'm going to do with it. So my desk is an IKEA Mickey desk, and the storage that my lipstick is in, the acrylic one, is actually the 2 drawer from Muji. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.